A cordless impact wrench delivers powerful torque, faster fastening, portability, and convenience, making automotive repairs and heavy-duty projects easier and efficient. My today's video is about top 5 best cordless impact wrench that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Magson 1/2 inch cordless impact wrench. The Magson 21V cordless impact wrench is a powerful and versatile tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its brushless motor delivers an impressive 1200 Nm, 900 ft-lbs, of torque, making stubborn lug nuts, bolts, and heavy-duty fastening jobs quick and effortless. The included dual 4000 mAh batteries provide extended runtime, while the fast charger minimizes downtime for continuous productivity. Built with durable rubberized ABS housing and heat-treated chrome vanadium sockets, this impact wrench is made to withstand demanding job sites. 3 adjustable speed settings offer precise control for different applications, and the forward/reverse auto-stop function helps prevent loose nuts from flying away, improving safety. The integrated LED light is especially useful for garages, workshops, and low light conditions, complete with essential sockets, an extension rod, and a sturdy carrying case. This cordless impact wrench delivers excellent performance, durability, and value, making it a reliable addition to any tool collection. Now our second product is Chicago Pneumatic CP734H 1/2 inch air impact wrench. The CP734H 1/2 inch impact wrench combines dependable performance, durability, and user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for automotive technicians and maintenance professionals. Delivering up to 425 ft-lbs, 576 Nm, of reverse torque and a 9,500 revolutions per minute free speed, it provides the power needed to remove stubborn fasteners while maintaining smooth, efficient operation. Its ergonomic grip and lightweight 5.1-pound construction minimize hand fatigue during extended jobs, while the handle exhaust keeps air directed away from the user and work surface for added comfort. The proven DYNA-packed pin clutch with an oil bath ensures consistent torque delivery and long-lasting reliability, even in demanding workshop environments. A differential regulator allows users to adjust power output for different applications, and the teasing throttle offers precise trigger control for improved accuracy. Compact yet capable, the CP734H is a versatile impact wrench that delivers professional-grade performance, making it a reliable investment for everyday repairs, vehicle maintenance, and general mechanical work. Our third product is Dongcheng 20V brushless impact wrench. The cordless impact wrench delivers an outstanding combination of power, precision, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for automotive professionals and DIY users alike. With up to 515 ft-lbs of tightening torque and an impressive 670 ft-lbs of loosening torque, it effortlessly removes stubborn lug nuts, suspension bolts, and heavy-duty fasteners that challenge ordinary tools. Its all-copper brushless motor provides consistent performance while generating less heat and extending battery runtime, ensuring reliable operation during long projects. The 4-stage torque control and variable speed trigger allow users to switch from delicate fastening tasks to demanding mechanical work with confidence, reducing the risk of over-tightening. The quick forward/reverse shift enhances productivity, while the integrated LED light improves visibility in dark garages and engine compartments. Complete with 2 4.0Ah batteries, a fast charger, impact sockets, accessories, and a durable nylon tool bag, this impact wrench offers exceptional value, durability, and professional-grade performance for a wide range of repair and maintenance applications. Now number 4, CZI Impact Wrench 665 ft-lbs. The CZI brushless impact wrench delivers professional-grade performance with an impressive 579 ft-lbs of tightening torque and 665 ft-lbs of loosening torque, making demanding automotive, construction, and industrial tasks remarkably easy. Its high-performance brushless motor reaches 2,400 revolutions per minute and 3,300 IPM, providing fast, consistent power while improving efficiency and reducing user fatigue. Equipped with 221V 4.0Ah lithium batteries and rapid charging capability, the tool offers extended runtime for all-day productivity with minimal downtime. The rugged tungsten steel anvil, alloy steel hammer, and military-grade ABS housing ensure exceptional durability, while the ergonomic design and anti-slip grip provide comfort during prolonged use. 3 forward speed settings and 2 reverse modes allow precise control for everything from delicate repairs to heavy-duty bolt removal. Intelligent safety features, including overheat protection, auto-stop, and a built-in cooling system, enhance reliability and user confidence. Combined with an LED work light and one-touch controls, this impact wrench is a powerful, dependable, and versatile solution for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. And our last choice is DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench. This half-inch impact wrench is engineered for professionals who demand exceptional torque, precision, and durability in challenging work environments. Delivering an impressive 1030 ft-lbs of maximum fastening torque and an incredible 1400 ft-lbs of breakaway torque, it effortlessly handles seized bolts, heavy equipment maintenance, automotive repairs, and structural fastening tasks with confidence. The 4-mode speed settings and variable speed trigger provide outstanding control, allowing users to match power output to specific applications while reducing the risk of over-tightening or fastener runoff. Precision wrench control enhances accuracy, making the tool equally effective for delicate installations and high-torque jobs. Its innovative battery guard system helps absorb impact forces between the battery and tool, reducing wear and extending battery life during demanding use. The integrated LED work light ensures clear visibility in dim garages, workshops, and job sites. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this impact wrench combines massive power, intelligent control, and rugged reliability, making it an excellent investment for professionals and serious DIY users alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.